Are they refusing not to get roasted?
You ready to start this truck?
Yes.
You know how to do it?
Turn the key.
Turn the key on. And then hit the starter button. Wait. Like put a little gas in it. No, do not put your foot on the brake.
Do I have to give it any gas?
Yes, you probably will have to give it some gas.
Pump it before I try to start it or while?
A couple times. Pump it. Alright, fire that joker up. Maybe my gas was no good. Alright, we tried to crank it, it wouldn't fire. So I pulled the coil wire off and there was 0 voltage, which makes it hard for the distributor to make spark. So a little investigating with a meter at the fuse box, figured out I didn't have any power at the coil wire. So trace that back and had the wire on the wrong post on the ignition switch. Now we got voltage. I'm gonna put the seat back in and see if it'll run. Alright, you ready, mister?
Sure.
You ready, missus?
I am.
Alright, pump the gas a couple times and see if it'll run. Alright, try it again. Keep it on, right? Hit the gas, keep it running. Let's see if it's got any gas up the carburetor yet. Bring me the trouble light, boy. Oh yeah, we got gas. It should run. Crank it up. It's alive. Open the door. How about the gauges? Are the gauges working? Oil pressure's up. No temperature yet. Quarter tank of gas. Amp meter ain't doing nothing. I bet I got that hooked up backwards. It's all the way on discharge. Well, I just checked it. It's charging 13.5 volts. So I think I got my wires switched on the amp meter. But turn the steering wheel, see if it turns. Ooh. Here, let me check the fluid. Hang on. Oh yeah, we need some fluid. All right, turn the wheel some more. Kind of noisy, ain't it? Well, we'll have to check into that. Does it turn easy? Probably need to flush it out from sitting so long. Is it idling by itself? Is it or isn't it? Your foot's off the gas. Okay.
I thought I had it on there very lightly.
She sounds pretty healthy. A little lifter noise, but it'll be okay. Probably clear up after a while. the gas one time so mommy can hear. There you go. There you go. Hit it again. Again. Hit it. There you go. Well, she's a little smoky in there. Hopefully that smoke clears up. I think it will. It didn't smoke before. But she's warming up. Temperature gauge is showing a little bit. And well, the thermostat's open. Upper radiator's hot. I was looking at first in there looking for circulation, but I guess all the water's going straight down because of these the way the cores are oriented. Used to a cross flow radiator, but sounding pretty good. That little lifter tick went away. Temperature gauge is working. Amp meter, evidently I got that hooked up backwards. Oil pressure gauge is working. The gas gauge is working. But what ain't working is my switch. It just stumbles when you turn it off. Guess I'll figure that out. Evidently the missus wants to drive it tonight. She's cleaning out the back of the truck. I figured out the source of my problem, why she won't shut off, I believe. Sometimes you gotta put a resistor on that wire right there. And I think that's the deal, because now with the alternator unplugged, she'll fire right up and shut right off. So that's another on the to-do list. Hey, what are you doing in bed already? Alright, we tried to crank her, she wouldn't fire. And I figured out, wait,